Hi everyone, welcome to Crafty Book. I am highlight. Happy New Year, you guys! It's 2024. Can you believe it? Okay, I'm just doing a little update for you guys since you're not hearing from me much. I've done some posts and uploaded a short or two and some Christmas stuff, like a little bit of Christmas decorating stuff, but not uploaded much in the crafting department. I just have not felt great well, it's been a couple of months now, a lot of sinus and allergy and other medical stuff going on. So I'm sorry I haven't been uploading or doing lives and stuff. I want to get back into it. It's just not feeling up to it. I have been slowly editing some videos. I still have a lot of videos from the 2023 homecoming season. One of the videos that I'm working on is the last video for the triple mum, the pink and gold mum. If you guys remember that one, I did several videos and lives on that one. I'm still working on the last one. It was like doing or attaching the braids and chains, like moving them around and see where I wanted them and stuff, and then showing attaching those and attaching the last sections, I believe, if I remember correctly. But I really just have to do the voiceover, and I've kind of been waiting for that because I haven't had a lot of alone time to do voiceovers. Plus, I've been dealing with this stuff, so it's hard to do voiceovers with that. And let's see. I'm trying to get my Christmas decorations up. I don't know about you guys. I just had company, so I left it up. Let's face it, I leave them up anyway, a lot of times through March even, but I have gotten quite a bit of stuff taken down, put up, so I'm hoping to do just a little bit every day, or most every day, and get it knocked out. You guys want to see what I got for Christmas? Let me show you, if I can pick it up. It's pretty heavy. I got a tumbler press. Look, it's hot pink. Isn't that cute? I have to get some tumblers and figure out how to use it. Let's see. It came with a mat, so I'm assuming you just set it on that mat so it doesn't harm anything. It came with pink gloves. Came with a roll of tape. There's the cord and all this stuff. So I don't have any tumblers or anything like that for sublimation. Plus, I haven't sampled my printer. Where is that? What's down there? So I don't know if my printer's now working or not. I've had trouble with it. I did do a head cleaning, but that was several months ago, so I'm probably going to have to do that again. If anybody knows anything about these Epson printers, my regular printer is not working either. There's like an error, and now it won't connect. It was still printing with the error, but now it won't connect to the laptop, and I can't figure it out. So I can't print anything. I can't print sublimation, and I can't print anything over here. It's stressing me out. So that's what I got for Christmas. I also got a necklace, but I don't have it on. I'm going to show that. Maybe I'll remember to take a picture of it or something and add it on this video. So I am trying to get back into editing those videos and start getting those uploaded on my Wednesday night premieres. If you guys have an opinion about what time the premieres or a different night, just let me know. We can change up 2024 if we need to. Right now, or what I've done in the past is Wednesday nights at 8:30, but I did change it up a little bit and did some 7:30s and some 9:30s. So y'all let me know if either of those, if those work for you, if there's a different night or a different time, because on the premieres, we just set those up. We set a time, the date and the time, and then we have to remember that they're coming on so we can be on there to chat with y'all. It's not like doing a live stream where you have to set up all the lights and set the cameras and microphones and all that good stuff. So it's nothing like that. Everything's already set. The video just has to be uploaded, and then you have to set it for premiere and date and time and all that. So no big deal on that. Mom Camp is coming up. It'll be here before we know it. So I think there might still be some slots available. If you guys are on the Facebook group, get in touch. Well, I know Connie's been posting stuff about it, so check that out and contact her if you're interested. Because I know there's been a couple of people that need to back out that already paid, so I think they're just selling their ticket, so you can contact them. But I think all of that is in the Facebook group, so just check that out. And if you can go, we would love to meet y'all. I'm not going to say any information about where it's at and when it's at and all that stuff. I think some of it's out there, but we want to keep some of that private just for our own privacy. But yeah, I hope to meet a lot of y'all at Mom Camp. I know there's a lot of people that want to go and can't go, and maybe in the future we can meet you too. And I know if I were you, I'd be wanting to go too. And you know, there's always a next one. So this isn't something we're planning on doing one and done. We're hoping this is something that we can continue. So, you know, if you can't go this time, hopefully there'll be a next one. So, and if you are going this time, just remember this is the first one. You guys are going to be our guinea pigs. So we are going to do the best we can to make it a learning experience and a fun experience and all that good stuff, and good for, you know, our community. And, you know, hopefully we can everybody can make some friends and stuff. So we've got a lot of expectations and hopes for it. But, you know, it's not going to go off without a glitch. There's going to be some issues that just comes with that kind of stuff. So I hope you're not expecting perfection, because you're looking in the wrong place for perfection. Okay, guys, I'm going to get off here. I just wanted to do a quick update and, you know, let y'all know what my plans are. And I hope to start getting stuff uploaded soon and get back on a schedule. Like I said, you know, comment with any opinions about dates and times and stuff. Please don't ask Mom Camp questions. Go over to the Facebook group. And I know, like I said, I know Connie's been posting stuff, so put it on there. And then we even have, I know we have an email that's just for Mom Camp. So if you're signed up, you'll get an email from that. I mean, I understand if you want to ask questions, but a lot of it we can't put out publicly about some of the things, because of everybody's privacy, not just ours, but the people that are going. So go over to the Facebook group if you're on that. If you're not, then try to sign up for the Facebook group. And that link is in the description too. And I will catch you all on the next one. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Happy 2024, you guys.